I was wondering if anybody has it when you're, especially doing something very power intensive on a tractor, and like here where it's going up and down a lot, will rev up really high and then gets going again, so it'll rev down. Do you ever have it where you're listening to the radio and then you hear a weird noise and you're not sure if it's the radio or the tractor, and then you turn the radio off and you're like, oh phew, it was the radio, where it's like, oh, that noise doesn't sound good. Just got to make sure it's something making the music on the radio making that noise, not the tractor. It's one of those that, especially when you get tired, that can sometimes scare you quite a bit. But just here doing the tillage practices that everyone hates,